Hey everyone, welcome back to Profit Studio. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest AI image updates released recently, the new Nano Banana Pro, available exclusively on the Higgsfield AI platform. This new version is powered by the Gemini 3 Pro image model, and it brings some major improvements to text accuracy, face consistency, and overall visual quality. What Nano Banana Pro actually is. Higgsfield has been growing extremely fast in the Gen AI space, and Nano Banana Pro is their most advanced image model so far. This isn't just a minor upgrade. Nano Banana Pro is a full reconstruction of how the model understands prompts, handles anatomy, cleans up text, and fixes errors before generating the final image. And before we jump into the demo, there's a limited time offer. If you subscribe before the end of November, you get unlimited Nano Banana Pro generations for an entire year. It's a really strong deal for anyone who uses AI images regularly. Alright, let's open up Nano Banana Pro inside the Higgsfield platform and test everything ourselves.
One of the biggest challenges for AI image generators has always been text. So let's start there. Before generating anything, I've selected Nano Banana Pro, of course, the latest and most powerful model on Higgsfield. From here, you can choose any aspect ratio you want, and you can also set the image quality. Nano Banana Pro supports high-resolution outputs, all the way up to 4K quality. Now, I'll generate a simple luxury product mockup with clean, readable text. Example prompt: ultra-realistic luxury perfume bottle mockup with clean, readable text on the label. Product name: Aurelia Noir, Eau de Parfum. Elegant serif font. Sharp lettering. Straight alignment. 4K render. Studio lighting. Minimal background. This is the first test I tried inside Nano Banana Pro. The text, Aurelia Noir, is clean, sharp, and perfectly aligned. Luminex Skin, small text test. Prompt used: minimal luxury skincare jar mockup with perfectly readable printed text. Brand: Luminex Skin. Sharp typography. No distortions. Clean white background. 4K studio render. Even the smaller text, like high-end tech product box with clean, readable text. Brand: Volterra Labs. This third test shows how well Nano Banana Pro handles futuristic typography. The letters stay sharp and accurate with no distortions. As you can see, the text is sharp, aligned, and completely readable. This is a major upgrade, especially compared to models that still struggle with accurate lettering.
Face consistency test. Let's test face consistency, which is another area that Nano Banana Pro claims to improve significantly. To check this properly, I generated several portraits of the same person using different angles and different setups. For this first test, I created multiple versions of the same character, a young person with neutral lighting and natural details, and I asked the model to generate front, three-quarter, and side angles. Notice how the facial structure stays identical in every angle. The jawline, the eyes, the nose, everything remains consistent. This is exactly the kind of stability creators usually struggle to get from other AI models. I also tried another test where I changed the outfit and the background. Different styles, but the face remained identical in every version. Even with different outfits and backgrounds, the identity doesn't change at all. The model keeps the same face, perfectly, without introducing random details or reshaping the features. And just to push it further, I asked the model to generate different facial expressions: neutral, smiling, serious, and even surprised. And still, the identity didn't change.
And here I tested different expressions: neutral, smiling, serious, even surprised. And still, the identity doesn't change.
This is very impressive. This level of consistency is extremely valuable for creators who need stable characters, whether it's for storytelling, character design, or thumbnail work.
Reasoning plus accuracy test.
Higgsfield integrated the Gemini 3 reasoning model directly into Nano Banana Pro. So let's see how it handles logic-based prompts like infographics or counting objects.
High-quality infographic showing 3 cups plus 2 books equals 5 items. Clean layout. Correct numbers, straight labels, readable text, balanced composition.
You can see that the model understands the structure of the infographic perfectly. The numbers are correct, the labels are clean, and everything is arranged in a logical way.
A clean diagram showing exactly 4 apples and 3 oranges with text labels.
Accurate counting. Clear separation. Well-organized layout. 4K resolution. Here, the model correctly counts and separates the objects. 4 apples, 3 oranges. No mistakes, no extra shapes, no distortions. This shows how strong the reasoning model actually is. Simple flowchart diagram with 3 steps. Step 1, input. Step 2, process. Step 3, output. This one shows how well the model handles logical diagrams.
The steps are in the correct order, the arrows point in the right direction, and the text stays completely readable. Everything is accurate: the numbers, the labels, and the overall layout. This level of prompt understanding is something you won't find in many other generators right now. Pricing comparison. Another advantage of using Higgsfield is the pricing. Based on their official comparison chart, Higgsfield currently offers one of the lowest price points in the market, especially when compared to platforms like OpenArt, Weavy, Artlist, and Adobe Firefly. As you can see here, Higgsfield ranks first overall. Their monthly plan sits at only $39 with a 60% discount, and even the cost per generation, whether it's Sora style, VO style, or Kling style, is noticeably lower than every other platform on the list. Platforms like OpenArt, Weavy, and Artlist are all more expensive, and some of them are more than double the cost per generation. So if you're looking for the most affordable place to generate high-quality AI images, Higgsfield is clearly leading in pricing right now. So who is Nano Banana Pro actually made for? Pretty much anyone who needs reliable, high-quality images. Designers, marketers, brand owners, YouTube creators, online store owners, thumbnail designers, educators, content creators of all kinds. Basically, anyone who wants fast, accurate 4K images without spending hours editing. Let's also try something I personally use AI for a lot: YouTube thumbnails. So I'm going to test a few real thumbnail concepts and see how well Nano Banana Pro handles text, faces, and lighting. As you can see, it handled the text extremely well: clean, bold, and fully readable even at a small size. And here, the face identity stays stable. No distortions, no random changes, just a clean, consistent character. And this one is all about lighting and composition. The highlights, shadows, and overall framing look polished and very usable for YouTube. This is exactly what most creators want from an AI image model: reliability, clear text, strong visuals, and fast results. In summary, Nano Banana Pro on Higgsfield delivers exactly what most creators need: clear and accurate text, stable and consistent faces, reliable reasoning and structured understanding, high-resolution 4K outputs, fast generation speeds, and overall, one of the best pricing options available compared to other platforms. And don't forget, the unlimited one-year offer is only available until the end of November. If you want to try Nano Banana Pro for yourself, you'll find the link in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tool reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.